much of the screen I can take up. I basically was thinking today, I need to do more silly things like that I just don't get a chance to do. Like maybe do something with like jQuery or something like that. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Zero prep. So there'll be lots of and so on. But we'll see where we get to. It's gonna be a to-do app. And what do I need? I've made probably like and then client. Let's see, there we go, client, and then what do I want? So difficult to say because I never built really like an app like with just jQuery. Like normally it's like, oh yeah, just slap in some jQuery, and that was like back in the day. So so touch client, and then just like index.html. Maybe go for that like whole single page thing, and then go with app.js. And sorry, it's behind the camera now because I can move that. Let's see, and then style.css. Okay, let's open her up. Whamma jamma. And then eventually I'm gonna do like server. And that'll be D. And then we just run express server for my jQuery front end app. Oof. Okay, so this is not going to be a start finish thing today. This is just going to be like a thing that I'm doing. What did I do there? Let's just do it there. Just whatever. This is my and written in jQuery. Good times. Okay, and then I'm gonna status. Oh no, get. So I want to get already. Touch server get. Okay, and then client. There you go. Probably something like this. I'm like totally winging it, so don't know what you're judging right now. And I want to put the whole thing in one single repo. So I'm gonna go get a init right up here. So good. That shouldn't ignore anything, and this one will probably ignore no modules. Actually, there's a bunch of stock stuff that I usually ignore, but I won't grab it. Let's just keep it like that. I won't be working on the search today, so let's just do some really silly stuff. Like, what's the CDN for jQuery? I don't even know. jQuery CDN. Let's get like, what is that? Uncompressed, minified, slim minified, 3. There it is. Okay. Let's grab that bad boy, copy it. Okay. Let's emit this stuff. If anybody doesn't know about emit, you just type in an exclamation mark like that, and boom, it does stuff. It's pretty cool. So to start one, all those highlighted sections allow me to tab through. So like to do app using jQuery. Okay, and then we need that and defer. Can you see the defer? Yeah, you can. So scripts with defer attribute will prevent the DOM content loaded event from firing until the script has loaded and finished evaluating. So this has its upsides and downsides. The upside is that it still doesn't stop the HTML from rendering, but it stops like other actions from taking place before that jQuery is loaded, like dynamic stuff. So we need like an H1 tag to do app jQuery, copy and paste this to my friend. Then we need what do we need, like an input or something? What do we want? We need an input, so we need like a label, and then input, and then like that. So then it's to do, and that's that. And then we're probably going to get an ID. To just call it to do for now. Let's break this out a little bit. This is when like having good renting and everything set up is wonderful, but laziness is the word of the day for me today. But I wanted to do like something with Tailwind too. So let's see if they got something handy with the CDN. I'm pretty sure I remember seeing that at CDN. They're like a quick, I just want a link to like something that says CDN. No, okay. Should totally do that. You want to have something that's just like Tailwind, CDN, and then that's it. Okay. Put that bad boy up here. Relaunch a style sheet. Okay. Everything should be pretty basic right now. Let's see. We need a submit button though? Do we want to do like a form, the post, like that, and then like to do. There we go. Put that form, and then sneak all this in. Let's see. We need a submit, so we need like a button. Submit, or add. Maybe it's just add, like add. That's a good one. Let's see, how much time do I have now? I have 10 minutes. 10 minutes. The other thing is I could disappear at any time because I'm still on shift. It's just that what I'm doing is reactionary. So I don't necessarily do anything until somebody requests it. And since it's code related, I just figure if I'm going to have spare time, I should code. Because technically, becoming a better coder is becoming better for this role. So I'm sure they'd wish that I actually just had something to do. But I want to say like article dot you know what? Let me walk back dot hashtag to do list, and then inside is an article, and that's going to be like each article will be a unique ID. It's going to be dynamic, so I don't even, maybe I'm going to, okay, so I'm going to just put something in there just so that I have it as a template. So then I'm going to have UL, LI, and then I'm going to have the date it was created, whether it's done or not, what it is, like text, and then I need like the author, probably like the author. So I guess that'd be 4 different things in there. So it's like to do, whatever that is, and then these can be in any order because I'm going to just, they'll be dynamically generated. It's just something to see and to sort of nuance later on. If I can get this stubbed out today, then I can think about what I would do next, and then I can do another stream later, maybe later today, I don't know. See, so it's to do, and then maybe like done, something to represent done, and then date, and then author. Could even do something like tags. Maybe G tags. I don't know if I'd have these all in like LIs. I just need something. And this is literally going to be like Lorem, ipsum, to do, tasky, thingy, like that. Like that. And then this is going to be some kind of, probably like a checkbox thingy, probably. And then this will be fine, this will be fine. And then like some kind of pill-ish thingy. That's probably what we're going to go with there. How do I show everybody my screen? Another screen. That's what I wish I understood what to do. Okay, so can I show it? Can I just move this on top? No. It's like if you locked it in on now. So let me just see if I can. I don't want to. Oh, that removes it from there. Okay. I'm just learning the system, so maximize and spotlight. I definitely don't want to spotlight. Let's maximize. Yeah, that's not going to happen. Okay, so I'm going to stop this. Oof, turn that off. And then I'm going to go to like a graphic or something. Can I go with a graphic? No. Okay, bear with me 1 second while I share something else. I guess I'm going to live server, open with live server. There you go. You know what? I might be able to actually get that inside. I think actually I can get that inside my. I think I can get that inside my. You know what? Let's see if we got. Let's see if we got this. There we go. Let's go with my extensions, preview, like HTML. See, there's got to be a way I can just HTML provides the ability to view documents. Well, okay, let's do that. I like it. Let's see if I can fit this in. Okay, so close down that port. And open to the side. Nope. Open preview. Change open locked preview to that. Open preview to that. Okay. Nice. Okay, that'll work. I mean, it's not sexy, but what else did I forget? We forgot CSS style. I needed some good stuff. And then get that, and then display HTML body. Zero margin, zero border, box, border, border box. Okay. Don't judge. No judging. See, and then four, and then everything after. Okay. When you do it like this, you should probably do it another line like that. It just makes it easier to read. Okay. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Now I need height and h width. Whatever pH. Man, I'm making this like monkey brains. Display. I'm going to open this on mine here just so that I have it. So I can see it. Okay. Just makes it easier for me because it's not really rendering right. But at least everybody gets to see something. So like flex, direction, column. There we go. And then just content center. Let's see, there we go. And then align, content center. I always do this one wrong. Align, right on the center. There. I don't know why I do that like that. It's like the box sizing. I don't know. There's certain words I still misspell to this day. Like I before E except after something, and I never pay attention to the rule. And so let's see what else we got. We're probably going to need a background. Let's get a background. Let's move these up. I don't know why, but I always can't decide which one that I want first. Background. Color as light gray. Let's see, and we need like a padding, like 10 pixels or something. Do I want 10 pixels? Let's just leave that for like that. Let's see. I'm just thinking about what do I want. And then probably I want like I want something. What do I have? Let me close that. What do I have here? Again, I'm going to make this a little smaller. I have this. Oh, it's all sitting there just floating out like that. That's not good. Let's do that. Okay, and then probably could do some kind of footer later. Let me close this. This is a footer. Okay. Let's see. This does not reflect code, the HTML very well. It's either that or everything. Oh, it's 5 o'clock. Okay. So actually that's a good thing for a couple of reasons. One is I can give up my whole screen now. But I just also won't be online for much longer. Okay, let's see. By the way, if anybody knows how to use Tailwind, or I have a couple offers for help with Tailwind, but Tailwind and Storybook.js. Storybook.js is the one that I still pretty lean on with people. Okay, now we're gonna make everything a little bit bigger. And there we go. Share the whole screen. I hate it when There we go. Then, nope. That's it. There we go. Bingo. Bingo bango. Okay. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger just because I can't say off the top of my head what how big it'll be for other people. And it's 720p, so I have to worry. Okay. So this looks like dog poopy, but that's okay. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got? We got our submit, we got our add button, got our background. We have our header now. So let's go header, and then width 100%. This is just to see what's going on. Solid blue. Okay. And then section. Actually, let's just do the same thing with section right here. Section. And then, okay. This is a footer, and that's in the center. Wonderful. Okay, so those boxes will be there. There's really no need, should be no need to do this. Yeah, so that one, and then that one. Yeah. Yeah. So I can center the whole thing or not. I don't think it's a good idea to do that necessarily at this stage, but so let's display flex, and then flex direction, column, and then justify content center. That's right, not that one. I want align right on the center. I don't like to do too much stuff that I don't need to do, unless I can immediately see that I need to do it. So, okay, so I'm in my happy place now with those. They're going to sit in the center. The boxes will be gone, but I should probably, I think I want to wrap the whole thing like a nice, let's do auto, see what happens here. Did I saved it, right? That's not what I want. I'm just trying to decide, like I just want, do I want it as two pieces? Or do I want like a div to wrap the whole thing? Just, I think I'm making more of a mess if I do that. I don't want to make a mess of it right off the bat. I definitely don't need the padding. Yeah, I don't need that. I think what I want to do is I definitely want to wrap all of this like in a main, and then I just want to deal with it that way. Main, okay, header, okay, and then got that like that. There's no difference. Good stuff. Let's see here. Let me just check my phone. Okay, no messages. I better check where my wife is, actually, because I think they're going to expect me to visit. Not that I'm off work. Okay. And I better take off. Sorry if I'm over talking. I don't know. I just I feel like you're watching and there needs to be some sort of interactivity. So it's very difficult for me to do design decisions on the fly. So I said I had main. So I'm going to go main, and then let's contain this a little bit. Like, do we need to be really wide? I don't really see that as a need. So like maybe just set the width like 50%, and then like min width would be, what would we want that as? What is it now? I don't know, like, yeah. We want, I don't know, let's just say 500 pixels. That's pretty much every phone. Min width 500 pixels. Yeah, it looks like crap because if I was to reset this, that's what it would look like. Maybe, could I do that? So hard to make it look nice on the video. Yeah, that's what it's going for. There's just no way to do it. It's just gonna look like crap no matter what. I'm gonna change some of what I'm doing here. I'm so unhappy with what I'm doing right now. What am I doing? What do I want to do? I think I'm gonna draw it out before I come back. Because the way I am, it's gonna crap out big time. And I get why they put so much effort into sort of thinking it out. I bet you even CJ does that. No, I want it. Let me just do it. And then I don't want that either. Okay. There we go. Yeah. I think I'm happier now. And then that way I'm just gonna say padding top like 50 pixels. What about like, I never use M's. I never use them. 2 M's. Okay, let's go with that. I didn't set my fonts or anything, so it's probably a good idea actually to do that. Font size 12 pixels, and then 16, and then what do I want? I'm gonna make this bigger. Sorry, I left it small. And then font family. Who do I want? Let's go with Verdana. That's nice. Let me see here. I think I can't see if anybody's chatting me. Can I see chat? Okay, cool. Show, hide messages from stream. Don't, no. Okay. Now, hopefully that's showing us just one stream. Not that anybody will see this. I doubt that anybody will ever see this. Probably more likely to cause a recruiter to not hire me than anything. I'm gonna put some music on while I'm embarrassing myself. I'm getting there. There. Okay, now we're moving. Okay, so now main is going to be background white. Okay, border radius, let's say 20%. Ooh, what was that thinking? Like 2. It should be like something you notice, but not something that's embarrassing. Okay, so let's get rid of these now. Oh, I thought I saw it move. Okay. Now we need to do something about our input, just because it's bothering the crap out of me if I can't see it. So solid blue. There we go. And maybe we'll just put that with the button right now too. Okay. Oh God, this is so ugly. Let's make it. There we go. Slightly less ugly. And so let's do border. Shot. There we go. 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 2 pixel. 128, 128, 128, and then like 0.5. Holy crap, that actually looks pretty good right out the bat. Let's go with like 5 pixels. No, very bad. There we go. That'll work. Actually, a really nice one that I planned once when I first started learning how to code. Let's see. That's my wife. Oh, she has. Okay. So I gotta go. Let me see what I can do to make this slightly less tragic on leave. On leave, on leave, on click, on leave. Let's just do something really quick to border bottom. This could look uglier just because designing is something that I have to put lots of thought into. Let's go with West Bosses. Jour de. Oh crap! Did nothing even show up there? Okay, where is it? That looks hilarious. Ooh, that actually kind of looks like That's like a little bit like base camp type thing, you know, where they do the little, looks like for a highlighter. Ooh, I could totally work with that actually. Hey, it might be ugly, but ideas are coming. Let's see. I don't have this centered, so I need a footer in there. There we go. Okay. I almost wonder if this should be like outside, just like appear like a nice white background. Let's just do that for giggle. Okay, it's outside. Totally bad form on my part, but I just want to see what it looks like. Background, white. Yeah, padding, 10 pixels. Hmm? Was that really? That's 10 pixels? Why is it being overwritten? What? Padding. There we go. I was just like, how is that even possible that it doesn't? Okay, let's go to margin, bottom, 10 pixels. You tell I like 10 pixels for lots of things. So what you'd want to do to make this look good with this border, I like that border now. Now I'm thinking about it. Um, let's try not to make everything else look horrific. While we're at it though, padding, yeah, scope 10 pixels again. There we go. I think I want to try that one out. Let's float with that. I've never done that before. I'm gonna have to div. I'm gonna have to rethink this. So the main. This can't be the main. Can't do that. I'm gonna have to. Everything will be in main, but not the background and not the box. Yeah, and yeah, what do I want main to be? So I don't want that. Let's go like that. Okay, now we're rocking. Okay, border bottom. Okay, and then the div. So let's give the div. I'm gonna make the depth so it's a little bigger. Okay, let's squeeze this a bit. Let's see. Want that padding to, yeah, we want the padding to be like 10 pixels top and bottom, but it can be zero left, right. Let's see, is that going to get the, no, because it's, okay, that's wrong. Okay. This is the thing. This is a margin, and that border should be between the margins. So if I say margin, 10 pixels top and bottom, and then I go zero. There we go. That should work. That border should be, okay, I don't know why that's still there, but anyway. What? Border, padding, border. What the freak? Okay. I don't understand why I'm wrong about this. That should be the. What is going on here? Okay, let's refresh. What has the border? Our beautiful little border, the H1. This has the border. Why the frick does this? According to even the box right here, the border should be right here, and my margin should be creating space. Should be creating space after the border. Why do I feel like this is a box sizing issue? Okay, let's just play with it some more. Okay, so I got a div, and I'm going to just go this way. I'm going to go div dot underline. Would not be the first time somebody's done something like this. Okay, let's put a hacky one down like that. Underline. Okay, and then let's grab that border. Okay, there we go. Now we're actually seeing some truth here. What is going on? You know what it was? This should be in the. Okay, so that's why I was goofing. There we go. So like main, and then was it div, and then this is so hacky. I'm just doing it so I can see. So it's main and div. So I want that to have my white background. Bingo. And then that should have my margin, like 10 pixels top and bottom, and then nothing to the left and right. Who cares? There we go. And then the whole thing, and then this moves like that. Okay, I'm closer now. Definitely closer. And then okay, so what I need to do is maybe do space. And then height 10 pixels. So whatever. There we go. Okay. And now what you want to do is you actually want to add padding. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. I lie. Margin bottom. Let me just show you. I'm pretty sure if I do left and right. So let's go just 10 pixels, and then left and right 20 pixels. There you go. So if you look here, you see how the bar can come in. So yeah, that's what you want right there, that effect. But what I'm trying to figure out is how much of the junk that I just did is completely unnecessary. Okay, so I don't need the bottom. I'll go padding, top, 10 pixels. There you go. That looks a little bit better. Let's go with this one. And then H1. There we go. Border bottom. I like more margin for it. There you go. And then the spacer is no longer necessary because I got things sorted now. Nope, totally necessary. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There we go. That's actually probably the nicest part. Let's leave it at that. Let's have my one little win there. Yeah, this is fun. I want to do this again. Chat is ready to display messages. Click on the message below. Click on the messages. The chat is ready to display messages on the screen. Is that like here? Click on a message to show it on screen. I'm not seeing. There's like nothing user. Hide message from stream. Click messages to show. The chat is ready to display messages. Click on message to show. I'm clicking like whoever's there. If there's somebody there, it's just I can't. There's nothing. Hello, and then hello. Maybe I'll just send this to their help. Okay, shutting her down because all I'm doing is wasting people's time more than what I was doing before. Okay, cheers. Bye bye. Oh, I'll be continuing this project, by the way.